So hello and welcome back. So now I'll upload my next video, which is part 2 of measurements and motion. So let's continue, okay? Now our next topic is relevance of estimation. Okay? What is estimation? Do you know what is estimation? Wait, I'll tell you. However, sometimes it is necessary to get the accurate measurement, but sometimes it is not necessary to get the accurate measurement. Like I'll tell you. What if the distance between your home and your school should not be measured with last millimeter? Okay, it should be like you could just guess, like estimate, like this is this much kilometer. My from my school till my home it is 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer. You are guessing, you are estimating how much will it be. You are not getting the accurate measurement, but still you are trying to guess how much will it be. Okay, got it? Estimation, I told you. And if you if you are so good in estimation, this estimation will help you throughout your life. Okay, mark this point. Now as we did relevance of estimation, let me just take it. So our next topic is motion. Can you tell me what is motion? Wait, I'll tell you. Fine. Whenever you walk like this, okay, when you move, then you know that you are in motion. How? You are in motion with respect to with respect to the other surrounding things like chair, table, and etc. Okay, you are moving, but with respect to chair, bed, bicycle, all these things which is surrounding you. Okay, and then what else? Motion, I'd say, like an object is said to be in motion when it changes with the time, with respect to people which are surrounding it, with changes with respect to time is said to be in motion. Okay, just like say you can just understand it. Okay, motion. So it's quite easy. Okay, so I told you about motion. Like, okay, so let me just take it. And our last topic of our chapter, it's related to motion only, you know. See, types of motion. Okay, even motion is having 4 types of motion. 4 types of motion. Okay, can you tell me what are the 4 types of motion? It's quite easy. Let me tell you on the board. 4 types of motion. First is translational motion. Okay, first is translational motion. What is translational motion? Let me tell you. Translational motion is a motion in which all of our body parts move in the same direction in a given part. Okay, like, okay, a car moving. Okay, a car is moving, like, okay, you are walking. No, a child. Wait, a good example. A child sliding down on a slide. Okay, that thing, like every body part of the child is moving. Any object which all of its parts are moving is said to be in translational motion. Got it? This is known as translational motion. Okay, next motion is rotational motion. I hope you all are enjoying this video. Rotational motion. Okay, rotational motion. Can anybody guess this word rotational, and what do you think about it when you listen rotational word? What do you imagine? What would it be? Yeah, let me tell you. Rotational motion is like when you move around. Have you seen like a merry-go-round slide? It's a kind of slide which moves like around. Let me show you how. See, like this. You move around like this. So this, in which motion are you in? You are in rotational motion. Got it? So like if I move around some object on an around an axis is known as rotational motion. Example, the best example you can say is Earth. Earth is moving around an axis, and that axis is Sun. Got it? Now, I told you about translational, rotational. Two more left, and chapter is over. Okay. Our next is third one. Can anybody tell me what is periodic motion? Okay, I tell. Periodic motion is the kind of motion in which you move around, but you move rapidly. Okay, you don't go anywhere around. You get a path in which you only move continuously. That is known as periodic motion. Let me tell some example. The pendulum, it just moves like this, right? See, I tell. Assume this is a pendulum. It goes here and it goes here. It continuously goes here and here and here. Got it? And what else? The rotating, like the blades of a rotating fan. The blades move, but only it continuously moves. It doesn't goes anywhere. So it is known as, it is in periodic motion. Got it? Now, what else left? The last is, let me just erase it. It's just the opposite, okay? It's similar, but it's opposite to it. Non-periodic okay, non-periodic motion. Doesn't this seem opposite to just periodic motion? Non-periodic motion, it's just the opposite, okay? What is non-periodic motion? I tell you, like in periodic motion, I said that it moves in a certain path continuously, but in non-periodic motion, it doesn't moves continuously in a given path, okay? It moves everywhere it wants. It moves around. Example for it, a bird gliding around the sky. See, it's gliding around and it can go anywhere freely, okay? And what else? Let me tell. The children playing around a park or going here and there. So this is the children's the motion they are undergoing is known as non-periodic motion. So I hope you understand this. I told you about translational, rotational, periodic, non-periodic motion. Okay, let me just recall what all topics we covered in this chapter. We covered history of transport, measurements, standard units of measurements of length, relevance of estimation, motion, types of motion. I hope you all understand this well and keep this in your mind so that you can learn you can understand it. Okay, so thank you, and the video ends here, and please subscribe, like, share my channel and my video. Thank you.